mkuu akade iko mbele yao muundo na Rubirizi na polisi wa officers wa Rubirizi police station walijipanga
police forces, and thereafter he will be led to unveil the flag. We shall clap the moment the flag is unveiled.
And I'll read to you what it reads. This is what it reads, or I give it to the Chief Justice.
The district is ready to offer land for construction. Na njangu okugira kwebye ekitechi kize kimwe nitwetaga n'ekihumi kugira ngo bakwenda kubikamu aje yiwamu kandi naize kushara munyongo muntu kasobola ikize ngo itakere kyasi yotoje kwikenguru bari bayereze mumbeke ekihome nyesigana spika yacu yaliaha na kawa yaliaha umukaze no kuza kusikiriza abakaza arabona baliaha kando batakali sita katwari bayereze
arrested from the side ya Rubirizi babakwata babatwara babusubira Kasese district. It is very something that is terrible. Recently we intervened with the support of His Excellency the President and my Lord, I know you are aware, we were able to rescue Kawasa kuyepicheze bakwatiyoko muchamu nemotoka twawoninga abantu betu ngo bakore bintu omateka. Now that these facilities are here, na nisaba bachikwata ubona abantu betu babakwatira mu nshobi bareke kubamuse kwatoro muri district zindi babareke abateka aha babatrangira aha babahabura aha so that even their relatives should be able to access them with ease. So it's an issue.
Nyangore nakuba kwendera ejerenya chizi bahura yes nakuba kwendera ejerenya chizi mwenu Museveni mukamworeze nyachizi nuki bakutera yone yachire na yone kitera chairman governor yachire n'ibintu bitera mugumizaho that's the central message. It is over. I'm very pleased. I will to mix languages. I know this is a national function where the Chief Justice is officiating. He is the Chief Justice of the Republic of Uganda.
He's among the few with the least crime rate in Uganda. This is attributed to harmonious working relationship between the law enforcement agencies, especially the police, the prosecution, and the court. All these mentioned agencies have been working together as a team, which has enabled the timely delivery of justice. This cooperation
noza kureba umaramuzi ngaho kubera no mushango gwenyencha kare kandi aciko mu rwatunga batabara muzina baryengozi kandi niyo gitwire nyico twakwitira ngo ijo herezo kuzo tahati muzai ngomba kije abantu ba nawe ebyo bintu enguzi amaramuzo kurya nguzi nabasakorwa ngito bajya mu nyakwehena nyampana cyereke ato ino maramuzo kutwera umazima no kwinganiza kandi unyechiro waza kuba ni waza kumshono kamesho noba noyehena aho katokuza kutunga mazima tokuza kutunga justice na nyecha kale naza kuchikora akachikora nondijo tutire ko tomu umumesho bonka tutile justice police na kuemeleza you policemen to study
that was made by an organization called HEAL from the Netherlands. In Uganda, out of 100 people who have a justice need, Uganda, abantu 10 abakuba biine ekizibu ky'ebyamateeka, only 5% are able to access our courts. Only percent 5 abantu igana batano nabo bakubasa kwikangayi omuza court sector. Abandi 95 mu Uganda ebya court byo tubagira shi tabakumanya. Ekyo kizibu ky'amaani ekyo bakintu kitukweta access to justice. Abantu kuba kwika justice batorekahi. Nabwo ekyo kyenkora ya justice law and order sector. That's what JLOS stands for, Justice, Law and Order Sector. Now, Honorable Minister, this thing started when I was Minister of Justice. We debated in the cabinet that Kokuba or in nature's Mateka, Okijuruma Musokamdaha, other whole police, chiefs of Pia, Okano Itega police, and as a Quatamuntu or Henslica. Eraza kuchondoza kuleta obujulizi so akuwajira omulamuzi okuleta omuntu oguwo ayisira omuntu obujulizi bure mupolisi yamukasoletero abatakalito tumukwase obona ng'omuntu bamulekura ng'obwo obujulizi butize buta bubuzire. So that means a sector-wide approach buli kitongole ekikukwata ebintu bya justice, police, prisons, omuntu yaza kucweka omushango n'atwara omukaire prisons. Sitakuza kumutwara mukafunda samwe yokamuteka. Abako constitution ejango mutiyaro kumkoti ashebe kwati detained in the place authorized by law. Ahead tongo lebinde bya agenda omwana mutona atwazibwata. Omwana mutoko zromsha. Naona zomto kumchomesha abantu bakuru. So ebyo byona niyo chibakweta justice, law and order sector. And that's why this team is here, and the building of these centers was deliberate. Abaro koti yomurabuzi, abaro office ya state attorney, abaro police, abaro prisons. So emukure bejo netandi chero. Ebintu ndoza kwija tukashita mu mjeno swaye muzangu.
Be as short and communicated.